it again.
Try it again.
Oh, I have to dry my hands off. I have to dry my armpit.
Okay, now try. You got to really cup it underneath there. Try it again.
Maybe it was
It
too
hurts
wet.
my tongue.
Try it again. Do a big one.
Give it a big cut.
Yes. 2 in a row.
What is opposite? Oh, jeez.
What the heck? Definitely not ambidextrous. Come on, get a good one. Really cup it.
Clean out my armpit. Clean out my armpit. Ugh.
You gotta cup it.
Like this? Ow! It hurts. It hurts.
Okay,
Really.
do one muscle flex for Daddy in Canada.
Okay.
Suck. Nice.
TJ St. Pierre.
Okay, say I love you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.